Everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see the solution management in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. Let's see first what is the solution in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. Solution is a complete package of customizations and we can manage the customizations for a particular functionality in CRM. Let's say if you want to customize the solution, if you want to create entities, attributes, forms, views, relationships, business rules, if you want to create the dashboards, if you want to create any templates, if you want to create any security roles, all the components can be customized in a solution. Okay, so this is about the solution. So below are the solution components in the customer engagement. We have schema, user interface, analytics, process, templates, and security. So under schema we have attributes, entities, global option sets. Under user interface we have application ribbon, sitemaps, forms, entity ribbons, web resources. So likewise we have all the components. Okay, so we'll discuss the types of solutions in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. So we have managed solution, unmanaged solution, and default solution. If we discuss about the managed solution, we cannot easily edit the managed solution. It means we cannot modify the managed solution. At the same time, we cannot delete the managed solution, and we can't export the managed solution. So if we delete the managed solution, all the components which are available in CRM, it will be deleted. If we talk about the unmanaged solution is like we can easily customize the unmanaged solution, and if we remove any component in unmanaged solution, the component will be remain in CRM. If we delete the component in unmanaged solution, the component will be deleted from CRM. Okay, so if we delete the total unmanaged solution, the components which are available in the unmanaged solution, all those will be remain in the CRM. Okay, unmanaged solution can be exported as managed or unmanaged. And if we talk about the default solution, so default solution is the by default solution which is available whenever we create a CRM organization, and default solution cannot be exported as managed, but it can be exported as unmanaged solution. So these are the types of the solutions we have. And the navigation to create the solution in the Dynamics CRM, like customer engagement, is we need to go to the settings, customizations, and solutions. From there you can able to create the solutions. Okay, so the publisher is the most important thing in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. So publisher is the nothing but like whenever we create an organization in CRM, a default publisher is created for you, which can also be used a part of your solution. So publisher is a prefix to all the components which you create in your solution. It means whatever the components you create in a solution, like you create entities, you create web resource, you create any attributes, so all those components will be created under some prefix, right? So by default we have a prefix called new. New is the prefix of Microsoft, so we can create our own publisher. Okay, so that would be the prefix. So publisher is a third-party solution provider. So let's say for example, if we have any third party who is providing a solution, so they will be having their own publisher. So this is all about publisher. The navigation for the publisher is, so just go to the settings and customizations and you can create your own publisher. So now we will see the demo of creating the publisher, managing the solution, creating the solutions and all. Okay, we are in Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement application. Let's see the demo how to create the solutions and manage the solution. To do that, just click on this gear icon, click on Advanced Settings, and just click on Settings, Solutions. Here we have the default managed solution which is being provided by Microsoft. Whenever you create the organization, these are all the solutions which are provided by Microsoft. Okay, so we have 75 solutions over here. If you want to edit these solutions, you cannot edit directly. Let's try to edit. So we have the message like you cannot directly edit the components within the managed solution. So anyways, managed solution cannot be edited or cannot be customized. Okay, so before going to create the solutions, let's try to create the publisher. To create the publisher, just click on this settings, click on customizations, click on publisher. So here we have the default publisher, new is the prefix, and the default publisher which is being provided by Microsoft whenever you create an organization. It means whenever you create a customer engagement trial environment, then you will be getting the default publisher as a new. Okay, let's try to create the our own custom publisher. To create that, just click on this new button, enter the display name. I'm entering as SVN, so the name will be automatically populated. If you want to enter the description, you can enter over here, and if you want to enter the prefix like SVN, just enter here. As soon as you enter here, the name preview will be like prefix underscore the component name. If you are trying to create the entity with this publisher in a solution, the logical name would be like SVN underscore entity name. If you are creating any attribute, the logical name will be like SVN underscore the attribute name. Okay, and here are the contact details. If you want to enter the contact details like phone number, email, website address, all those things you can enter over here, so that the customer or client will directly contact you by seeing these details. Okay, click on save and close. Here we have like the publisher which we have created. SVN is our publisher. Now let's try to create the solution. To create the solution, just click on these settings, solutions, and click on new. So enter the display name. I am creating the solution for the development, so I am entering just the name, display name as dev, and I'm just selecting the publisher from this lookup which I have created now. SVN is my publisher. If you want to create the publisher from here, you can just click on this lookup and click on lookup more records, and you can just click on this new, so that a page will be navigated to the publisher page. From here you can create the publisher anyways, and you can create from two ways. The publisher can be created from two ways. Okay, so enter the version number. I'm entering the best practice version number. The version number may be anything, and configuration page is optional. Okay, if you want to enter the description, you can enter over here. And if you are creating the solution, by default the package type will be unmanaged. The managed solution can be only created at the time of export. The time of export you will be getting the option as managed or unmanaged, so that you can export as you want. Okay, just click on save, and these are the components which are available in the solution like entities, option sets, client extensions, web resource, processes, and all these are the components. Okay, so now we don't have any components in this solution. To add the components, just we need to click on this add existing. Let's try to add an entity. I'm just adding the system entity. Just click on finish. So now the account entity has been added to our solution, and just click on publish, and just click on save. Just click on save and close, and this is our unmanaged solution which has been created, and we have added the component entity. And let's try to export this solution. Here you can see only published customizations are exported. So if you have not published any components, here you can publish. Okay, so I have already published, right? So no need to publish over here. Just click on next. If you want to add these settings, you can check this. So in our case, I have just added a system entity. Okay, no need to check this box. Just click on next. So just click on export. Now the solution has been exported as unmanaged, and the version is solution name. So the solution has been exported as a zip format. The format is solution name version.zip. Okay, now let's try to export the solution as managed. Here we have the option as managed, and click on export. So now the managed solution has been exported, and the format is solution name version and managed.zip. So we have two solutions over here. Let me try to delete this unmanaged solution. Now we have deleted the unmanaged solution, and the components which are available in unmanaged solution will be deleted, but the component will remain in CRM. Hence we have added the system entity, account entity. The system entities can only be modified but not be deleted from the CRM system. Okay, so now let's try to see the process of import, how we can import the solution into the customer engagement. Here we have the import button. Just click on this import and click on choose file. I'm just importing the managed solution. Just click on next, click on import. So the import solution dev completed successfully. So the import of managed solution has been completed successfully. I'll just try to close this one. Let's try to open this managed solution. So here you can see you cannot directly edit the components within the managed solutions, and you cannot add any components. Okay, so this is what about managed solution. It means you cannot edit the managed solution. Let's say for example, if you have the managed solution, you have did some customizations in the development environment, and you have exported that particular solution as managed, and that managed solution can be deployed to UAT and production. Okay, so in production, if we have the managed solution, we should not delete that particular managed solution. Not only the managed solution, anything cannot be deleted in production. Okay, so this is how we can import the managed solution. Now let's try to delete this managed solution. This is the trail instance, right, and I am using for demo purpose, so that is the reason why I am deleting the solution. But never and ever delete the solutions in the production or client's environment. Okay, just click on this delete. Now our dev managed solution has been deleted. It means uninstalled from our customer engagement. Now let's try to import the unmanaged solution. The process is similar. Okay, just click on this unmanaged solution, just click on next, click on import. So here you have the option of publish all customization in case of unmanaged solution, whereas in managed solution you don't have option at the end. Okay, so dev completed successfully means the installation import of solution has been completed successfully. Just click on close. If you open, this is the unmanaged solution. You can easily edit, or you can customize, you can add the components, or you can do all the customizations in this unmanaged solution. Okay, so now let me show you a demo, another demo by creating another solution and just creating the custom entity within that particular solution, and let's try to test the scenarios. Okay, just I am creating fastly. Click on new, click on test. I'm just creating a new entity. College entity. Colleges. Just clicking save and close. Let me publish this entity, save and close. Now what I will do is I will just try to export this solution. So the solution, unmanaged solution, has been exported. Let me try to export the solution as managed as well. Okay, now the two solutions has been exported. Let me try to delete unmanaged solution. Okay, within this solution we have the entity, right? So I'm trying to delete the unmanaged solution, and let's try to verify that particular component, means that particular entity is available in the default solution or not. Okay, so we have created college as the entity, right? So just go to the settings, customizations, customize the system, expand entities, so the college entity is still available in the CRM system. Even if we delete the unmanaged solution which contains the components will only be deleted from the solution, but not from the CRM, but not from the customer engagement default solution. Okay, so here we can see the college entity. Okay, so this is the first scenario, and now what we'll do, we'll try to import the managed solution. Okay, just go to the settings, solutions. Let me try to import the managed solution, managed test solution. So import has been successfully done. Let me close and let me try to open this managed solution, and you have the college entity, right? So you cannot edit this particular managed solution. Let me try to delete this managed solution. Okay, let me try to uninstall it, and let's check in the customer engagement default solution whether the college entity is available or not. Okay, so hence it is a managed solution, right? If we delete the managed solution, whatever the components available in managed solution, all those will be deleted from the managed solution as well as from the customer engagement default solution. Let's verify it. Once it gets deleted, let's verify it. Okay, so here you can see the test managed solution has been deleted from the solutions. Okay, let's try to go to the customizations, and let's check in the default solution, customize the system. Let's try to expand the entities, and where is the C, yeah, so here we have the components of C. It starts with C, right? COLLEGE. So there is no entity available, no college entity available here. It has been deleted from the customer engagement default solution as well. Okay, so these are the scenarios of managed solution and unmanaged solution. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, just hit the like button. It will motivate me to make more videos. Okay, thank you for watching.